Baby, put it down on me. At this time you're all I need. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. Behind these curtains, I know for certain you'll give me clarity. And I feel that whatever's lurking, I think it's working. You got the spell on me, and you know that I'm the type to just roll with it. Don't need fancy for gold living. All I want is your caregiving, red feeling. I just wanna keep you up to the morning. Do a little exploring. Love me good till it's pouring, storming. Baby, put it down on me. At this time you're all I need. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. Give you all of my time, could be partners in crime. Just say I'm yours, you're mine. Ain't got nothing to hide. If you come to my side, I'll put you on it right. And if you need a sign, get to your lullaby. Anything comes, anything goes. Now I got you, never let go. Better hit nice if you ain't go. Let me give you a little inspo. Better fulfill my fantasies. Gotta see if you're into me. Maybe we'll make a symphony. Sing for me. Baby, put it down on me. At this time you're all I need. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. Oh, you did the impossible. I'm kinda feeling like you stole my heart. Your lips are incredible. Our bodies fit together like a work of art.